Hey everyone, welcome back to Analytics Master Pro. If you've ever felt lost when it comes to data modeling in Power BI, you're not alone. But today I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to structure your data correctly so your reports are faster, more accurate, and easier to analyze. And to make things fun, we'll use a real-world example. Let's say you own an online sneaker store. We'll model data for your sales, customers, and inventory. So grab your coffee, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's dive in. Before we jump into Power BI, let's answer this. What is data modeling? Imagine you're running that sneaker store. You have data coming in from different places. Sales data, what products are selling? Product inventory, how much stock do you have? Customer data, who's buying your products? Instead of dumping everything into one big table, we create relationships between tables, just like connecting puzzle pieces. This structured approach makes your reports faster and smarter. Now let's jump into Power BI and build our data model step by step. I've already imported our sales, products, and customers data from Excel into Power BI. If you need a step-by-step guide, check out my previous video. Click the link in the end card. Since one customer can place multiple orders, we need a relationship between sales and customers tables. We'll use the customer ID as a unique identifier. Similarly, each sale contains a product, so we link sales with products using the product ID. Hooray! We've built a simple data model. Now let's see it in action. Now, why does all of this matter? Let's look at two scenarios. Scenario 1. Poor data model. If you don't structure your data correctly, your reports will be slow, calculations will be wrong, and Power BI will struggle to understand relationships. As an example, if we don't define relationships, we might see the same customer counted multiple times in our sales report. Scenario 2. Well-designed data model. With proper relationships in place, we get accurate sales and inventory insights, faster report performance, easier calculations using DAX formulas. So remember, good data modeling is the foundation of every great Power BI report. And that's a wrap. We covered what data modeling is, how to structure tables using relationships, why a good model makes a huge difference. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Power BI tutorials. Question for you. What's your biggest challenge in Power BI? Comment below and I'll cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching Analytics Master Pro. See you in the next one. Blast off.